Okay, this is PowerDirector version 16. Let's see how to draw a shape with our own mouse cursor. First of all, let's select where we want to draw the shape. Let's say here. Okay, so the cursor, the playhead was positioned. Now let's go to this one, PIP object room. F5 is the hotkey, and go to the pencil tool. Pencil. Okay, select crayon, chalk, pen, whatever you want. This is the width of the line that we will use. Okay, and we have to play on the record button, and then I will make the shape around these two arrows. I will make two circles. So start it, draw that shape and the other shape, and then stop it. And the shapes were drawn. That is the shape. Okay, now close it with the OK button, give a name, let's say circle, and close it with OK. Now here's the circle that we just created. Let's just drag it somewhere there. Okay, and let's play it. So the circles are being drawn, but they are very slow. So basically the length of this one is the entire drawing of the circle. So let's just make it shorter, like so. Okay, play it, circle and circle. That's fine, but after that nothing is shown. So simply double click this circle that we just created and go to the end, drag it there, and use this photo camera. Take a snapshot of the current drawing and add it to the media library. Okay, save it somewhere, and I will override the old file and close it with OK. Now come back here to the first one, media room, and this one, this one is the still image, it's a PNG, so that will remain there. Okay, we can make it shorter if you want. So that's the animation part, and that's the still part. Let's preview it. It's being drawn, and stays there a little bit, and then it disappears. Okay, so that's about it, how to draw an animation with your own mouse, animated shape inside PowerDirector 16.